Today, my title of the poem is The Sound of Trees by Robert Frost. I chose this poem because I wanted you all to know that how much trees are important for us. The trees are our best friends as they provide us so many things, and especially air to breathe. The author itself is saying that how much the trees help us and the feelings about the trees to us. He is also reminding us that how much trees are important, and without them the earth does not exist or life does not exist. I wonder about the trees. Why do we wish to be here? Forever, the noise of these, more than another noise, so close to our dwelling place, we suffer them by the day, till we lose all measures of pace and fixity in our joys, and acquire a listening air. They are that talks of going, but never gets away, and that talks no less for knowing, as it gets wiser and older, and now it means to stay. My feet tug at the floor, my head sways through my shoulders whenever I see the trees sway through my window or the door. I shall set forth for somewhere. I shall make the reckless choice. Someday when they are in voice and tossing so as to scare the clouds over them on, I shall have less to say, but I shall be gone. Thank you, everyone.